this segment of the Windows 11 tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to pin apps to the taskbar in Windows 11. Prior to the 2022 update of Windows 11, it was not easy to pin applications to the taskbar. Now you can pin apps to the taskbar by simply dragging them from the desktop to the taskbar and just letting the mouse go. Let's say I want to pin the Zoom application to the taskbar. I simply can drag it to the taskbar and then let the mouse go, and it will create a shortcut on the taskbar. Now, one thing that is still interesting is that you cannot add it to the taskbar by right-clicking on an icon on the desktop. So in that case, if you want to add another application to the taskbar, you simply go to the Start menu, search for the application or locate the application, and then right-click on it and choose Pin to Taskbar. Now, to remove an application from the taskbar, you right-click on the icon and then select Unpin from Taskbar.